Those faded lines aren't neglected. They're a countdown timer for municipal engineers. Stop complaining, start reading the dashboard. You think it's laziness, it's a scheduled decay protocol. You think it's cheap paint. Wrong, it's thermoplastic. That's not a typo. It's heated polymer poured onto the pavement and cooled into a structural skin. We're talking thermal efficiency at 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Back in 1965, engineers realized glass beads were the answer. And inside that plastic, glass beads, retroreflectivity. Headlights hit them, they bounce back to your eyes, but here's the twist. They're engineered to shed. The top layer sacrifices itself to the asphalt. Intentional erosion. Why shed? Because tire rubber is an abrasive nightmare. The math of friction versus polymer creates a predictable wear cycle. Every mile driven strips a microscopic layer. It's not random. It's calculus on the street. If they never wore down, your brain would autopilot. Perfect lines equals zero attention. Zero attention equals rear-end collisions. The fade forces a microcheck. A twitch of the wrist, a quick glance, it's psychological friction. And engineers love friction. We weaponize imperfection to keep your nervous system engaged. A fading line is a subtle alarm bell. You're not driving a road. You're piloting a feedback loop. Municipal crews don't guess when to repaint. They read the wear cycle. Budgeting matches the physics. Crews deploy when the retroreflectivity hits a critical threshold. It's not neglect, it's precision scheduling. Repaint too soon, you crack the asphalt. Thermal stress, structural fatigue, you're not maintaining the road, you're torturing it. Every heat application warps the base layer. Patience is a structural requirement. Repaint too late, latency spikes. Reaction times drop, traffic flow chokes. The bottleneck isn't the cars, it's the visibility window. We optimize for human processing speed, not machine perfection, so the fade is the sweet spot. A deliberate decay curve. Engineers design the lifespan, not the permanence. Permanence is a skill issue. We accept entropy to maintain flow. Complaining about paint is just a weak design choice. Next time you see a ghost line, don't rage. Read it. It's telling you exactly when the city plans to strike. It's a public service announcement. The road is talking. You just need to learn the dialect. The system isn't broken. It's communicating. And honestly, it's working better than your browser tabs. Subscribe for more engineering vindication. Drop a comment below if you're still mad about paint.